Did you know sheep
love it.
cough?
Sheep cough.
They cough.
Yeah.
Like,
Yeah. No, they
Excuse me.
they don't clear their Would you have any wool?
Yeah.
No, it's kind of like, because I'd be bringing the dogs out at night or whatever to go to the toilet, and then next of all it'll be pitch black, like there's nothing, you can't see anything, and all you hear is it's an actual cough. It's brilliant. And then the cows and the horses and so on, it just be great crack, like.
That would scare the shit out of me. If I was out in the middle of nowhere
but this
at
is the
night
thing,
and you
it
just
sounds
hear
like a human cough. Like it's not even, it's nearly like a sneeze as well. But it's great crack looking out at them now. I would kind of take advantage of the fact that they're doing their own thing, and I'd put it on Snapchat now and again. Like if they're having the rams are having a fight or whatever, I'll get out the window and I'll be like, hey, I'll leave her now. Like them fucking the ram is on this corner, like. But people find it hilarious, like, and then sometimes they have buckets in the middle of the field for water. But they're so thick, like sheep. God love them. They're so thick.
That's why they're tasty.
So tasty, thick tastes good.
Yeah.
But they'd put their heads in the buckets and then they'd stand up and the bucket be on their head. And they obviously can't, like, there'd be the handle for the bucket be around their neck, so they can't get it off. Like, I've had to get over into the fields and take the bucket off them before, and they shit themselves. Like, they're grand when you're taking it off and they can't see. But you take it off and then they just see Jen Hunt standing there and fuck! And then you leg it. But it's gas.
They can't speak, so it'd be funny if they actually they were loving their time in the bucket.
Yeah,
But you had no
I'm
idea.
ruining it on them.
Yeah,
Oh,
you've been
shit.
trying to get in it for ages.
Who's your one that keeps coming into the field and ruining me time in the bucket?